Hello. Haha, time to move the body. So one of the things that I like a lot is how much you can induce the muscles to relax, especially around your hips, because you get super tight from sitting down long hours and not moving. And you don't have to really exercise. It is a chance for you to calm down your body and your mind and your breathing, because we get super anxious. I get super anxious. So this is what it is. Foam rolling is a great option for you to reset and start feeling good again, calm down the stress and anxiety, right? So I'm going to show how to release. Your TFL is a tight muscle right here and turns into the IT band and gets tight from the sitting down. So we are going to try to open this muscle again. So you're going to put the roller right underneath both legs and trying to remember to keep the abs engaged, right? Don't just like try to engage the abs. Start with some nice breaths and allow the muscle be squeezed between the roller and the bone. That's pretty much what you want to do. You kind of want to go around and feel when you trap the muscle. And then when you trap the muscle, you put the body weight there. That's how I like to do it. But I'm going to show for the TFL, right? So you're going to put your left hand under your left shoulder. You're going to lift the left side of your upper body, putting all the body weight on the right side of your leg. And then you're going to look for like where you put your hand on the pocket, something around here. But we are doing at the other side, right? So try to go around that area. When you find a little bit of tenderness, start breathing. And try to feel your body. When you feel you got it, breathe, relax. And let the roller get to your bone. Once you get that, I like to then spread the muscle. So you're gonna get a little bit of the quads on the outside part and the IT band at the same time. So you're not really completely on the side, a little bit in between. Put all the body weight there. Breathe. Spreading the muscle like a dough from a bread. When you find a really tender spot, stay there, adjust your body, bend the knee, and stretch. Once someone asked me why bending and stretching like this is to get the movement of the muscle again, and for him to understand the lengthening shortening position. Oof. All right, so this was a little bit of quads in the beginning of the IT band. Now, you gotta toughen up. You gotta take some nice belly breaths to stay strong, because this hurts. And I'm doing it with the spike, you know. It's because more you do it, more you understand about it, and more you want to do it. So when I started, it was like this soft roller. But that wasn't enough for me, because I'm good at dealing with pain. Some people are not good with dealing with pain. You know, they feel the pain from, because you're squeezing a muscle, right? They feel the pain, and then they already like, you know, kind of freak out a little bit. I don't know what it is. Some people just can't deal with it. Some people can do it. So you just gotta find something when you can start, like a soft one if you're not good with dealing with pain. Probably men. Just kidding. And if you're good with it, then you get like a spiky foam roller, or that's how I like it. And a PVC pipe. I have a PVC pipe. PVC pipe, there's no legs, anything to protect. It's really, really hard, and you can get like in smaller diameters, so it can go deeper in the muscle. But anyway, let's finish this IT band here. Breathe. Make sure you're moving your foot, your lower leg, right? Trying to relax the whole chain, and just come back. All right, let's do the other side. Let's see if I can talk a little bit at the end. It's just because to read the message, I got to really bring, you know, the phone close to me, because I can't see. But anyway, reset. Right hand under the right shoulder, roller, where you put your hand on the pocket. Now there is something else I like to do here, and you can do with me. It's like you move the hips up and down on the roller, so kind of opens the hip capsule for the roller to get deeper. And then again, in and out, trying to find a position when you can deal with the tenderness you feel. I feel this releasing like towards my hamstrings, all the way down my leg, because I'm more connected to my body now of doing this so much. So this improves the connection between the muscle and the body. So what happens sometimes, the muscle gets so tight that you're not even aware anymore, right? It's just there tight. And then you lose the perception for that area. The foam roller is like, with this trigger point therapy, pokes the muscle and brings like a blood flow back to that area. So you start being more aware of the area, and then you can work on learning how to relax the muscle. So I like to say that it's like being cheated on. If you don't know anything about it, you live your life, right? Like everything is good. But when you find about it, then you have to do something about it, right? So that's what it is. You gotta do something about it. So after I relax the angle of the TFL, I'm gonna go down to the lateral portion of the quads and a little bit of the IT band. Trying always to relax lower leg and foot. Using abs, this is a core exercise, nice core exercise. Now breathe. Ooh. This feels good. Honestly, this feels so good. Ooh. And almost to on top of the knee. And then back to the hips. I'm sorry, I'm going to speak a little bit in Portuguese. Eu sei que eu só tô falando inglês, mas é que fica muito difícil de fazer essas coisas no meio do trabalho, sabe? Dessa loucura toda. Então tem alguns vídeos que eu vou ficar falando em inglês, mas é uma boa oportunidade para você aprender inglês, né? Okay, back to English. I gotta find out how to speak Portuguese and English at the same time, because or you do one or the other, or I do need more time doing this. But this is to make me relax, and I have a lot of work to do. Because of my 1 week fit program, you gotta watch that. You gotta join it. $5 only. And then it's 1 week with live videos or videos by your watch that you can watch at your convenience, where I do 3 online classes, workouts through the day, and it's gonna be through a week. But the day is gonna start with a little video of 5 minutes of me talking about eating habits, how to induce your body to burn fat as energy source, body fat, how to induce your body to burn body fat. That helps to keep you calmer, less anxious, feel good. I'm gonna try to induce you to do intermittent fasting, right? We're gonna try to do that together. It's where you stay a few hours avoiding your first meal. And what else? And it's gonna have a live chat on Zoom, at the Zoom app, to talk about how things are going. Great idea, right? I think so too. So go on my website and reserve your spot. Starts Monday, tomorrow. So anyway, I release the quads, the side of the leg, the IT band, right? Ooh, feels good. I feel so much better. But anyway, ideally, after you foam roll, you want to stretch, and you kind of want to activate the muscles, right? To realign your body. I'm going to keep doing this because I still have a little bit more time, but if you had enough of the foam roller, just put it on the side. So what we're going to do, let's stretch it first, right? One of my favorite stretches for that, one of those that I feel the most, it's when I stretch the quads, right? This position. I have jeans because I'm really going out. I thought I was just going to foam roll. So I'm glad I can do this because not Brazilian jeans. Anyway, I like to do this to open the hips again, right? This is where you want to open. This is where you foam roll. Wow. What are tight jeans anyway? To get this a little bit more intense than what it is, and then I feel the stretch on that area. Let's see if I can do this. You grab the foot And you kind of expose this area here to push it away. Turn my chest out and try to breathe and relax between the hips and the knee where I foam roll before. And follow through this sequence here. Here, push my hips away to open this, right? And try to reach. I got a good opening here. This felt really, really good. So let's do the other side. Oh. My knee, this knee is messed up because I fell playing handball. I play handball for New York City. And Olympic handball. And I fell like 1 month ago playing, and it got so bad, kept getting swollen, but now it's much better, but I shouldn't be putting my knee on the floor. Anyway, one knee away from each other. Try to move here a little bit to feel the opening of the hips, because this is now where you want to stretch. This is where we released before, right? So it's very important for you to breathe and try to relax. That's when the body-mind connection kicks in, and then you're really able to calm down your body through the breathing and allow the muscle to stretch, because if you're tense, the muscle is not gonna let go. You can stay there a minute. Now, if you can really feel the muscle and try to relax, you're gonna feel the opening. Now, 90 degrees, push the hips to the right, opening here, belly button in, go reach over it. Very good. All right, so we open that. And now my favorite butt exercise. And why are you gonna do butt exercise now? Because now more you remind your body that you have a butt, and it works as well. It's like less tight you're gonna be, because you do need all the muscles from the hips to work in a balanced way, so you don't get tight or you don't start feeling joint pain, right? So generally we get tight here, and these wanna do most of the work, or sometimes super tight here, and this is wanna do most of the work. So we are gonna use the butt and the abs, this strength, to push our hips up and stretch all of this, right? So very important. Like, you know, the cat and cow, the movement you do in the gym, you're kind of doing this now. So rib cage away from the hips, rib cage closer from the hips. Abs not engaged, right? This is tight and this is tight. Now abs are engaged. This is a little bit more lengthened, and this is a little bit more lengthened. So abs engaged, like someone's gonna punch you in the stomach, feet shoulder width apart, close to your hips. You're gonna squeeze your butt and relax the butt to go down. So just start after you feel the butt working, then you relax and allow the hips to go down, right? So even though if you don't feel your butt right now, don't stress about it. Just keep trying. Use your mind and really bring that muscle activation, right? Squeeze the butt. Now let's stay up here a little bit. And this is something I like to do just to help with opening the hips. If you feel like you're cramping, see, this shows that you're using a lot of your hamstrings. So just try to relax the hamstrings and engage the butt. So let's do the cat and cow from this position now. I like this. Just slow, because you're gonna feel the pressure on the lower back. Let it arch, and then engage both together. Let it arch, abs not engaged, loading the abs. Here you could get a little bit of a stretch, right? And then you connect the abs again. Push your hips all the way up. So, but just by doing this that I just did, you should be feeling your butt. But again, if you feel more legs than hamstrings, keep breathing and try to relax those guys and use more butt. Feel like you're pushing your knees away from your hips. See if you can hide your tailbone a little bit more. All right, so from here, another thing that I like to do that helps opening the hips is like put one hand on your right side of the hips and left hand on the other side. Then, now, if the belly button towards your spine, you want to push the left hand down and push the right hand up, and trying to keep both sides of the hips leveled. You should feel an opening here around psoas, hip flexors. You should feel it. And now you're going to switch. Your left hand's going to go up and your right hand's going to go down. Breathe. It's like you're putting the load on the right side of your butt. And now one more time to the left. Trying to find butt and relax the stuff that is not part of it. Shouldn't be as intense as the work that is coming from the butt and this side. Wow. Feel great opening here. Breathe. Make sure both sides are engaged. And level. And lie them again. Relax the butt down. Squeeze your butt up. Relax the butt. Hips go down. Squeeze your butt. Hips go up. Good. Stretch a little bit more. Ooh. Ooh, my butt. Anyway, I'm gonna stop by here. I have a lot of stuff to do, but I hope you like it. So try to join my program. I'm gonna keep up with the videos if you show some love. And that's it. Let's do things now to feel good so we overcome all this social distancing, feeling like we are not alone, right? All right, see you soon.